Starling whisperer, he built a big birdfeeder to feed the baby starlings along with some other birds.
He built a custom feeder at the bottom of the garden to help the adult birds for when the time got busy and the young would join the herd. Around all the houses, the adults all had nests, and loads of baby starlings would soon join the rest. He filled it full of mealworms to get them nice and strong, because the world is gonna be tough enough for them to soldier on. The Starling whisperer, he built a big bird feeder at the bottom of his garden to feed the baby starlings along with some other birds. He installed some high-def cameras to stream across the world, so all of those with interest could watch the feeding birds. We need to help them daily, to give them all a chance, for future murmurations, for folk to stand and glance. These birds are on the red list through no fault of their own, so help out if you can and put a feeder up at home. The Starling whisperer, he built a big bird feeder at the bottom of his garden to feed the baby starlings along with some other birds. You've got the starlings, the jackdaws and feral pigeons too, and sometimes, not always, the magpies join the crew, and way up high watching the action down below, the sparrowhawk is stalking, waiting to make his move. But the starlings are smart and call out to each other and fly into the trees and all go undercover. So nice, try Mr. Hawk your plan. Never worked, you'll have to come back tomorrow and try another hunt. The Starling whisperer, he built a big bird feeder at the bottom of his garden to feed the baby starlings along. You're sure to see the jackdaws, a cheeky pigeon too, so sit and watch the camera and let the starlings entertain you. Hit subscribe and ring that bell, drop a like if you want, then click that share button too. The Starling whisperer, he built a big bird feeder at the bottom of his garden to feed the baby starlings along with some other birds.